I might have put a bin like that down there by that hose, so don't be sitting on that hose like that. And I'm gonna put some tape right there so I don't touch that damn terminal. No, we're gonna watch it and see if it leaks. Got a little heat on it. Cooler, brand new cooling reservoir bottle. Came in today. Of course, y'all seen the water pump. Got my Ultra Blue water pump set. I almost forgot I had the sway bar bushings. Then the Gates water pump. Then the other hose. I'm still waiting on my red silicone upper and lower hose. Radiator hoses to come in. They're in Los Angeles, California now. Waiting for them boys to get here. I got the deal on this bad boy. But yeah, that's that. Brand new water pump. Gates. Hose that go above the water pump. Sway bar bushes. The switch ain't supposed to be. Like a metal gasket. Y'all see that water pumping up. Yes, I feel good with them gauges working. Look. Volts, oil, coolant, gas, miles per hour. Shit, RPM, everything on that gauge working. I'm trying to get that check engine light off though, and that ABS light. All right, YouTube. As y'all can see, I put the transmission cooler in a 94 Pontiac SSE clone. Bonneville. This will be the side cover transmission gasket. Not the transmission pin gasket. Y'all remember I already changed the pin filter in the gasket on that, the lower part, and put a drain plug on it already. This is for the side case. This is the gasket for it. That's the part number for it. If y'all can see that. There we go. So I got this because I got to go in it. I'm going to change the shifting solenoids and maybe throw me a shift kit in it. So the whole K-frame got to be dropped in order to get that side pin gasket off. It's the pin that's on the side of the transmission. Not at the bottom to come in the regular. This is for the side that the drive axle go into. So this is the gasket for it. I already ordered it. Now I just got to order the shifting solenoids, the wire harness. I'm going to put a new wire harness that hooks up to the shifting solenoids. You know, this car is a 94, it's 31 years old. So I'm going to change all that out and go ahead and throw me a shifting kit in it. From GoTrans, I believe. Or maybe ZZP, whichever one I can get one from. I know GoTrans have a shifting kit for it. But for sure, I want to change out the shifting solenoids, the 1, 2, 3 shifting solenoid, and the 2, 3 solenoid, and the traction control solenoid. But this is the gasket for it. The side gasket. Still waiting on my silicone red radiator hoses, top end bottoms. Last time I checked them, they was in Dallas. Before then, they've been in Los Angeles since like Tuesday. So yeah, that's it. All right, YouTube, as y'all can see, I got my flash. This is what I'm gonna use on the back of the fuel tank access door where I cut at. I'm gonna make a door with this. I'm gonna shape it how I need to shape it. And this is what I'm using. I might need another piece. I haven't measured it yet, or I might can cut that in half. And make one door, an access door that can cover up the hole that I cut in the trunk. That's to keep the gas fumes out the car. And it'll put a door on the sending unit, on the tanking and things like that. But you go right to Home Depot or Lowe's or Ace Hardware, little piece of flash like that. And that's the side.